Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do schedule assignment on Google Classroom. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Classroom application. Let's open it and you will be generated into your Classroom account as a teacher, and now you can choose which class that you want to send the assignment to. So let's try the class B. And after we open the class B room, please take a look on this bottom features here. There is a stream, classwork, and people. Go into the classwork and please click the plus button here. And after that, there will be an option to create an assignment, quiz, question, material, and many more. Since we want to have a scheduled assignment, let's click the assignment. And after you adjusting everything that you need on your assignment, please take a look on these three little dots here. Just click it and there will be an option, either you want to do a schedule post or save as a draft. Let's do a schedule post, and you can adjusting the schedule. Let's say we want to make it appear at Friday, then click OK. And for the time, you want to post it in the morning. Okay, so I think 9 would be best. And after we finish adjusting the time, click save. And after that, you can do save. And don't forget to add the title of the assignment. Let's say math. Okay, and after that, you just click save. And you just need to wait until the assignment will be posted at 29 September at 9 a.m. That's all the way how you schedule your assignment on Google Classroom. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.